All right, so continuing, we have the point 62. If I were to have the point 26, it would be completely in another spot. Let me show you. In fact, I haven't even gone up that high on this one, but it would be here. There's 6, and 2, 6 would be right about there. Let me just change that a little bit. There you go. That's the point 26. So you got to say them in the proper order. Otherwise, you're going to get a wrong answer or a wrong understanding or something like that. Here, I want to show you a couple of common errors. And I'll just write it in this box here. Write them in this box right there. Some people, let's talk about the point 62. Some people say 6-2. Well, that's not how we indicate a point on a graph. That's the number 62. We have to have brackets and we have to have a comma separating them. So we have brackets and a comma separating them, and that's how we describe a point. And it's called a coordinate. Actually, it's called an ordered pair. Forgive me for that. It's an ordered pair. It means it's a pair of numbers in a specific order. Why do we do it in that order? It's just been accepted. It's like, why do we drive on the right side of the road in Winnipeg? Because somebody made a rule that in North America we drive on the right side of the road. It's just convention. It's what we do, and I'm just teaching you what we do. You can't make up your own lingo. If you give me if I say what are the coordinates of this certain point, and you say 6-2, that's wrong because you're not speaking the language. You have to use brackets, separate the numbers by a comma. All right, so what is this point here? I'll just erase this. I'll say this one right here. I'm going to call that the point B. What are the coordinates of the point B? Well, what do we do first? Well, we go to our X first, which is going across. So where are we? Up 3. First number is 3. What is the second number? Well, we go up. Up, there we are. I know these aren't the straightest lines in the world, but you see what I mean. The point B is at the coordinate 3, 1. So there we are. That's how you do coordinates. Okay, I'll make sure that there's a worksheet that goes along with this. And maybe what else can I say on this one? Oh yeah, notice these numbers here. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all that kind of thing all the way. We're assuming it's going to infinity. So usually what we do is we put an arrow there. In other words, that means we're going on forever. Same with up here. There's an arrow going infinitely across or infinitely up and down. Okay, most graphs have a title. In fact, all graphs have a title. The one we're talking about is air temperature in April. That was the title. And so we have two things. We have something along here to describe what the numbers are. And what did we have? We had the date in April. Over there, what did we have? We had the temperature in Celsius. So every graph has some sort of meaning. When you're just learning this topic, it really doesn't, we don't need a title yet because we're just learning how to plot points and what they mean. But once you know how to plot a point, then we can put it into a question that has meaning, and then we go from there. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, and I'll talk to you soon.